Hey guys. So today we are going to be doing our slime. So we just made it, and we already made a video. It's called Slime Review.
This is my slime. It's actually like orange.
My slime.
It says it's actually pure pumpkin color, but I do not think so.
Yeah, I don't think it's pumpkin. This one, it isn't called anything because it is from food coloring. So it's blue food coloring.
I just use paint because I do not like food coloring.
I like food coloring. It works better. But it's on your thumb.
You could also put beads or foam beads.
Yeah,
or
so
any
I
crunches.
have some beads over here
that you can put in your slime to make it super crunchy.
So this is beads, so you can make it crunchy.
Yeah. And then you could also put clay in to make it into butter slime. Air dried clay. Well, that's what I use, and it worked good. Don't use any of those like what is that? The plasticine.
Yeah, plasticine in it, because it isn't that great.
It doesn't work.
Like, it works, but it's kind of...
And to make fluffy slime like mine, to add shaving foam or shaving cream.
Yeah.
Shaving gel doesn't really work.
Yeah.
Or you can use cleansing foam or hand soap.
You can get this shaving cream at Dollarama for $2.
And then to make it clear slime, use borax or contact solution and cleared glue. So, and then let's see. Oh, to make iceberg slime, you make like fluffy slime and put it in a container or a plate like that, and then let it dry for a day, like without the cap thingy. Then, or you can just put like shaving cream on top and let it dry. Then it makes into iceberg slime. I actually tried it.
If you want it to get stretchy,